Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be continuing with the topic that we started yesterday, and the topic was related to earth and environment, right? We in yesterday's class we talked about what is earth, how does it complete one rotation, what time does it take to complete one rotation, and etc, right? So now, because we have discussed all of these things, so now in today's class we will be discussing a phenomena which is being related to earth's rotation, right? It's very common and very beautiful phenomena, and we experience it on daily basis. So I am basically talking about day and night phenomena, right? So today we will discuss that what does how day and night are formed, how does it look like, how does the sky looks like at daytime, and how does it look at night time, what are the differences, what are the activities that we do in daytime, and what are those which we do at night time, etc. So let's start with our lecture. So the very first thing is that let's quickly revise the few information which is related to earth. Earth completes it one complete rotation in 24 hours, right? Around the sun. So now when it is complete, no, around itself, it completes one rotation in a year, but it completes one complete rotation around itself in 24 hours. So through this day and night phenomena is caused, let's say this is sun, and the earth keeps on rotating itself around its axis. So the part of what happened through this is that the part of earth which is in front of the sun, it has daytime over there, and the part of the earth which is on the back side, on which there is no sunlight, it is nighttime over there. Now when it rotates, this part comes inside of the sun. Now it has daytime over here, and there would be night on this part. So in this manner, when it keeps on rotating, at some parts of the earth there is daytime, and on the other it's nighttime. Got it? Okay, I'm going to share this screen with you. There is this interesting video about day and night phenomena. So let's first watch that together, and then we will discuss more about it. So show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you.
It's a daylight. Look at the city in the sun. And then it turns into night when the sun goes down. But does the sun actually move? Is that why the night comes? But how can it come at a different time at a different country? That's because the Earth revolves around all these planets.
And now see, this is the phenomena which is very important to understand. See, earth keeps on rotating, and through this you know that there are some western countries, if some of your relatives live somewhere else, so you might call them and they say that it's nighttime over there, but you have daytime in Pakistan, right? So why is this difference? This is not the case that if we have day, it is daytime throughout the world. This is not the case that we have night, it is nighttime throughout the world. But the thing is, the actual scenario is that on some parts of the earth it is daytime. Like you can see, consider this man as the sun and this is earth. Now this half portion of earth which is facing the sun right now, there would be daytime on this portion, and this portion which is on back side, on which there would be no sunlight, so it would be nighttime over there. Now when the earth will rotate, it will change the side. This back portion will come on the front side, and this will go on the back side. In this manner, all of these countries will have the daytime, and it would turn to nighttime over here. Now similarly, this is not the phenomena which happens in minutes, like it is daytime now and after 5 minutes it is night. No, This is not the phenomena. It's a big phenomena. You have seen that we have a daytime starting from in the morning when the sun rises, and then till the evening when the sun set, we have the daytime, right? Similarly, it occurs for night as well. So this is the phenomena which happens for a particular time period, which happens without any abruption, without any disturbance, and this happens on natural basis, right? Okay.
including sun. See, when the sun is in one direction and you put a globe in one direction, so wherever the sun is shining on the globe, it's going to be daylight. While at the darker spots of the globe on Earth, it's going to be dark, night. So that's how the Earth moves around the sun.
Okay. So this is the phenomena which happens on daily basis, which is going on again and again, something which is continuous, and through this day and night comes, and there is no kind of oppression. This has never happened that a day prolongs and the night does not come. This has never happened that the night does not get over and the day does not come. Everything is going on its own in a continuous manner. Got it? Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you and we will discuss some more shit about it. Look at this picture. It says that the earth only takes 1 day to spin around once, or 1 day, or in other words 24 hours, right? So now see, this is the part of the earth which has the light on it, or which is in front of the sun. So we have daytime over here. We get daytime when part of the earth is pointing towards the sun, and this is the back side of the earth. We get nighttime here. Why? Because this part of the earth is pointing away from the sun. It is not getting any sunlight. That is why it is nighttime over there. Got it? So this is how day and night happens. This is how they changes, and this is how this whole process is going on. Now I'm going to share this another picture with you, and with the help of this we will discuss that how the sky looks like at daytime and at night time. So if we talk about the daytime, the sky looks like this. We have the sun, we have the brightening, the environment is very bright, right? We have the light, we can see the clouds as well on the sky, and this is how the daytime looks like on the left hand side. In comparison to that, if we talk about the night time, at night we have the moon instead of sun. We have the moon on the sky, and we have also some small stars over there. The environment is not bright, and what if we talk about the activities, all types of work, all type of activities are usually or mostly done at daytime, and it is preferred to sleep or have rest at night time, right? Okay. Now what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to note down these points, that how the sky looks like at night time and how it looks at daytime. Make a line, make a column in your notebook. At one side write daytime, at the other write nighttime first, and then make a picture of your house and show that how it looks like at daytime, and then on the other side make a picture of your house and show that how it looks at nighttime. Take out your pictures and take out your notebooks and start this activity. It will look something like this. You will make a line. On one side you will write daytime, on the other you will write nighttime. Got it? Over here, let's say if you draw the house, so because it's night time, so you will be drawing a moon over here. Make some small stars. Right over here, when you will draw, you will be making the sun, the bright sun, and make the same pictures of your house, of one of daytime and one of nighttime, and let me know when you are done. Yes, are you done? Show it to me. Excellent. Okay, class, that was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do revise this phenomena at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.